So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today topic about how to get Spotlight on Snapchat and also how to use Spotlight on Snapchat. So guys, lot of iPhone and Android user report to how to use Spotlight features on Snapchat. So guys, I give you some tips and tricks about that, so easy to solve your problems. So guys, first of all, open the Snapchat, then you can see also left corner profile icon. So please tap on profile icon, then you can see also add to snap map, and also you can see also public profiles on my Snapchat account. So guys, how to use Spotlight options on Snapchat. So guys, please come back in camera options, then you can see also easy to capture your any videos and photos. So guys, please hold to camera capture button in your iPhone and Android, then you can see also video starting for the Spotlight upload. So guys, then you can see also complete video Spotlight. So guys, then you can see also right bottom send button, then you can see also Spotlight. So please tap on Spotlight, then you can see also my story. So easy to add to your story and hashtag topic about in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, then you can see also snap map. So easy to select snap map, then right bottom you can see also send button. So please tap on send, and you can easily upload on Spotlight mode in your iPhone and Android. Then you can see also your story as well as Spotlight and snap map also upload video in your iPhone and Android. Then you can see also come back in also camera, then again right bottom you can see also Spotlight option. So please tap on Spotlight, then you can see also easy to TikTok, like TikTok videos, swipe up also, like send your friends also, then copy to link WhatsApp messages, Twitters, messengers also. So lot of features in Spotlight Snapchat and easy to use in your iPhone as well as Android. So guys, I hope Spotlight working in your iPhone and Android. If you any problem, so please comment in my YouTube video, otherwise please DM in my Instagram page. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.